So it's 2026, it's a brand new year and hopefully a brand new you. And the question that you'll be asking yourself is, how do I win in 2026? Now, I recently went for my first exercise session of the year, a 5-kilometer run. And after a very good December break, I must be honest with you, it was extremely difficult. It was a fight. And the reality is that this year will be a fight. Every single day of our lives is a fight. But when we embrace that fight, we can actually get on the other side of this year and feel like we have won the fight. And I would like to give you 4 things that you can do in 2026 so that you can win the fight every single day, every single month, and for the year. And the very first is, do things that scare you. There's a few things in my life that I have postponed, that I've been avoiding to some extent, and this is the year that I'm going to take on those things. Whether it's writing in for a competition, whether it's studying a certain course, this is the year where you should look at the things that you've always wanted to do but that scare you and decide to take them on in 2026. The second is, change things. There's a saying that goes, if you try and do the same thing over and over again and expect a different result, you will never get it. So in 2026, don't focus as much on what you should be doing, but rather look back on the things that were not working and change them. Do them differently and you will get a different result. The third is, show up. As hard as it may be, with the challenges that you will have in this year, sometimes the best thing to do is to just show up and pitch up every single day, whether it's at home, whether it's at work, whether it's at church, wherever you've committed yourself to. As hard as it may get, make a commitment that this will be the year where you will show up and pitch up every single day, every single time. And number 4 is make memories. Because it's so important that even though this year you are going to embrace the fight, you're going to do the things that scare you, you're going to change things that don't work, and you're going to show up every single day, make sure that you also make memories. Make the time and the effort to make memories with those you care about, those you love, and those that actually make all of this worth fighting for.